All right, so we're going to simplify out the cube root of the 8a with the power of 27. So this one is a step-by-step simplification of a radical expression. So first, we're going to split out the product of the radical. So we're going to use out what we call as the product rule of radical. So in which we, if you can remember out here, for that one, to split out the equation, for here, using out the product rule, in which we have to use out the formula as n with x and y, in which we're going to have that once as n x multiplied to n and y. Okay, so let's go and use that one here for the equation. So we have a cube root of 8a, okay, sorry for the a 27. Now, so that's going to give us a width about cube root of 8 times cube root of a 20, a 27. Okay, now first let's go try to simplify the coefficient that we have here. Now, to simplify the coefficient, we're going to find out the cube root of 8 then. Now, to find out one, we have to find out the variables down then. So this one here, let's write out here. So the cube root of 8 is equals to 2 then. Okay, that's right. It is 2. So we have the first answer then. Now, let's go find out for the next one. We have here is the cube root of 8 to the power 27. So let's try to find it out here. What is a cube root of the exponent and its term? So first, what we're going to do is we're going to use out what we have as to divide the exponent by the index of the radical. Okay, so first, to simplify for that one, let's write out here we have the cube root of a of 27. Now, to simplify with here with the cube root, let's go try to transform this one into an exponential form. Now, when you say out the exponential form, this becomes as a with 27 over 3 now. Next, we can divide can we divide 27 over 3? Frankie?
What?
Okay, so can we divide 27 by 3?
Yes, 9.
All right, so that's right. So the exponent that we have down here is equals to 9. Oh, yeah, equals to 9. So the equation that we have now here is that. So let's go try to combine out first. So we have now as equation as 2 times a and 9, in which we combine the result that is equals to 2a 9 10.